always start out with room temperature eggs, and I place them on the steamer basket that came with my Instant Pot. Today we're just going to cook 6 eggs, but I have done as many as 12 at a time. And now we're going to add a little bit of water to the bottom, maybe ½ an inch. This is how the eggs cook. The steam from the hot water is what's going to actually cook our eggs. And I want you to notice that I have taken the inner pot of my Instant Pot out of the appliance and have it next to the sink where it's easier for me to use. And now we're going to do something super radical. We're going to go outside. And you're like, why are we outside? This is an Instant Pot video. Well, you know how eggs smell when you hard boil them inside? We're going to skip that part and just do it outside. So here you can see I've just put the inner pot back into the appliance, and here we are, great outdoors. There's my garden. I have a plug outside, so it's really easy for me to do things here on my patio. So from here on, it's just like we would normally do. We're going to plug in the appliance, we're going to put the top on, and we're going to set our cook time for 5 minutes. Remember to make sure that your steam valve is facing front so that everything is locked in. And yeah, that's it. From here on out, we're just going to let it go and cook like normal.